Imagine a patient arrives at the emergency room with a complex femur fracture. The bone is shattered, requiring immediate surgical intervention to stabilize the leg. To perform this procedure, a surgeon needs a massive inventory of physical items immediately available: specialized plates, interlocking screws, precision drill systems, reduction instruments, and a sterile setup. Historically, sourcing these critical tools meant relying on a vast, intricate network of international shipping lines and overseas factories. If a bottleneck occurs in that global supply chain, whether due to a trade dispute, currency fluctuations, or a logistical breakdown at a port, a highly skilled surgeon suddenly lacks the materials needed to operate. Medical autonomy rests on the physical, domestic capability to design and manufacture these critical devices within your own borders, keeping the entire life cycle inside a secure local ecosystem. An orthopedic implant isn't just a piece of metal. A screw stabilized at a joint becomes a permanent part of a living human body. If a standard mechanical component fails in an engine, you simply replace it. In orthopedics, a failure leads to repeat surgeries, prolonged recovery, and severe clinical risks. That is why every single device undergoes an intense life cycle. It starts with rigorous raw material certification, moves through precision machining and dimensional verification, and ends with terminal sterilization before it ever reaches an operating room. Mastering this exact, unforgiving chain of custody is the absolute prerequisite for any nation attempting to achieve medical self-reliance. The manufacturing journey begins with highly specialized raw materials, primarily aerospace-grade titanium alloys and cobalt-chromium blends, chosen for their strict biocompatibility. Shaping these dense metals require modern, heavy industrial CNC machines, capable of holding tolerances down to the fraction of a millimeter. The true challenge of medical manufacturing is repeatability, producing thousands of identical bone plates that hit the exact center of this bell curve. If a single hole's geometry deviates by microscopic margins, the screw won't engage correctly, and the entire construct fails under weight. A Made in India label earns value through uncompromising regulatory compliance, strict quality control, and hard clinical evidence that gives surgeons confidence in the product. That trust is tested directly in the hospital. A surgical team operating under pressure needs the implant and instrumentation to behave consistently every single time. To guarantee that predictability, successful medical ecosystems rely on a continuous feedback loop. Data flows from surgeons identifying clinical problems to engineers designing mechanical solutions, through the factory floor, and finally through regulatory checks. This integrated loop has transformed the medical device distributor into a highly trained technical resource. Modern representatives provide direct support in the operating room, answering complex questions about biomechanics, thread profiles, and implant geometry in real time. A successful domestic industry requires building this entire surrounding network of clinical and technical expertise, rather than manufacturing components in isolation. India presents a unique domestic challenge, delivering complex, high-precision orthopedic care across an incredibly large and geographically diverse population. For manufacturers scaling up to meet this demand, the target is high-quality value. Competitive pricing must be achieved through efficiency rather than compromising the product. Cutting costs on raw material purity, sterilization cycles, or traceability protocols creates unacceptable risks for patient safety. Localized, efficient production allows these premium surgical treatments to serve patients in both massive metropolitan hospitals and smaller rural health centers. Solving this tension, achieving massive scale without sacrificing a micrometer of precision, is India's distinct advantage in the medical technology sector. India's domestic success creates a foundation for a global export base, providing reliable medical technology to growing healthcare markets across Southeast Asia, Africa, the Middle East, and Latin America. This foundation clears the path for the next decade of care, moving toward patient-specific, data-driven implants built through advanced 3D printing. A rigorous foundation of engineering and quality control allows a country to innovate its own solutions rather than merely imitating existing designs. Modern independence thrives on the active capability to build technology that earns global trust and meets international standards. From refining a block of raw titanium to the moment a patient stands and walks again, Mastering that entire journey is the true definition of healthcare self-reliance.
If you have enjoyed the video, like it, share it, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe it. Hit the bell icon to get notifications for all our upcoming videos. Join us to excel in this orthopedic implant industry and to know more about the job and career growth which is available in this industry. Thank you. See you again next week.